There's something very, very wrong with the new iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max when using the stock camera app to record video. It's a massive audio issue when you're trying to use an external microphone to get half decent quality, and I can't understand why nobody's talking about it. When you get wind noise, it clips your vocals, so your vocals go like that. And there's no way you can get rid of it because you cannot adjust the input of the sound coming through your microphone, an external microphone. However, when you use Filmic Pro, you can obviously adjust the sound input and you can get rid of it. But this is horrific. Why is no one talking about it? Watch these following examples.
Right then, this is Filmic Pro with no microphone attached to the iPhone. It's just the internal microphone and I'm peaking in the yellows. So now I'm going to put on a different microphone. This is Filmic Pro with the small rig microphone plugged in. Just going to wait for a gust of wind. There's some wind now. This is Filmic Pro with my Rode microphone. And I think I can run this one a little bit hotter. I don't know. The other microphone, to be honest, the small rig one, I have to turn the volume right down on it. Just wait for some wind. Okay, now we're in the normal camera app with no microphones plugged in, so it's just the iPhone. So we'll see what happens. That should be enough now. As I say, see if my voice is clicking in and out. I don't think it does with the internal microphone, so it does say something about the attachments or something weird going on. I don't know. Right, now we're in the standard phone app with the Rode microphone on, and I can't adjust the volume on this. So this is just the way it is. Let's see if we get the clicky back. Step out here. A bit more wind. There we go. I got talking because you've got to see if I click in and out, because I don't know, so we'll have to see. So yes, that was the Rode microphone. Right, now we've got the small rig microphone plugged back in. The wind has dropped a little bit, but we'll just keep going until we get a bit of wind noise. I still have to keep talking because again, because of the clicky to see if I'm cutting in and out or not. I just think that the microphone may record too hot for this app. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Here we go, there's a bit of wind coming now. So we'll have to just see what's going on.
So, what do I think's going on? I think it's to do with noise cancellation. And I think the fact that the iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max have had the option of turning on and off noise cancellation has messed things up. Now, when you're in Filmic Pro, you can adjust the volume of the microphone, and I don't think the phone is automatically switching into noise cancellation. Now, when you're on the iPhone's stock camera app and video in, also when you've got no microphone attached, it's not turning on the noise cancellation, which it shouldn't do. You should just get wind noise. It should never affect the vocals. So I think what's happening, once you stick a microphone in there through the lightning port with an adapter, and I've tried two different adapters, so it's not the adapter, I've tried two different leads, and I've tried two different microphones. Nothing to do with the external hardware. What I think is then happening, once you stick that into the lightning port, it is invoking noise cancellation because it's not seeing it as a microphone or something like that. So I think Apple have really messed up here, and I honest to God can't believe that no one's talking about it. So I don't know what's going on, and it's not just my phone, because I do know there's someone else I know who's got a new phone, and I've asked them to do it and it does exactly the same thing. So Apple, sort it out, you nutters, because this is really irritating. Now, of course, I know that people who are doing proper cinematography on their phones and using external microphones are probably using Filmic Pro anyway, but that's not the point. I quite like the stock camera app. I quite like the HDR and all that nonsense. It's just annoying. That's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got a solution to it, or you know different than I do, then please let me know in the comments, because I need to get this irritation to stop in the stock camera app, because I like the stock camera app. Bye.